This guide will help you navigate the process of enabling the Roblox installation loop for 2025. Follow these steps carefully to ensure smooth installation. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. This includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and available storage space. Step 2. Download Roblox installer. Visit the official Roblox website and download the latest version of the Roblox installer. Make sure to save the file in an easily accessible location on your computer. Step 3. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded installer file and double-click it to run. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation process. If prompted by your operating system, allow the installer to make changes. Step 4. Configure installation settings. During the installation, you may be given options to customize settings. Choose your preferred settings, such as installation location and shortcuts, then proceed with the installation. Step 5. Launch Roblox. Once the installation is complete, launch Roblox from your desktop or start menu. Log into your account, and you should be able to access the platform without any issues. Thank you for following this guide. Enjoy your experience with Roblox.